Welcome back to Kulina. Today we are making some simple tofu tacos. Cut a block of tofu and place them on a plate for seasoning. The spices are oregano, smoked paprika, chili, toasted cumin powder and black pepper. Pour olive oil over the spices. Spread the mixture as evenly as possible. And leave the plate aside to marinate. Next, we will prepare our guacamole. Cut avocado, Roma tomato, jalapeno, cilantro, lemon. Sprinkle some salt and black pepper. Squeeze half a lemon. Mash everything. Pour guac into a bowl. And set aside. Next, we will cut some vegetable for fajita. Green pepper, red pepper, mushroom, and red onion. Set this aside. Heat up pan and pour olive oil. Place the marinated tofu on the pan. Shallow fry until lightly brown on both sides. Heat up pan again and pour olive oil for fajita. Saute for 3 to 5 minutes. Season to your liking. Put aside once finished. Heat up pan for tortilla. Pour some olive oil. Warm up tortilla. And put aside. Now take the warm tortillas, place tofu, fajitas, guac, sprinkle cheese. Tacos are ready to eat.